Hello, we're in Algebra 2, Chapter 8, Section 4. This is page 3 of the notes, and we need to talk about dividing rational expressions. Now, dividing is actually the same as inverting and multiply. So this is the same as general fraction work when you were in 6th grade, but 6th grade was a long time ago, and I don't know. I hated middle school. So what you do is you take the second fraction, turn it upside down, and then multiply them together. So, boom. It's AD divided by BC. It says simplify that if possible. However, without actually doing a particular example, that's meaningless. Let's move on. Oh, look, an example. All right, so example 4, we're going to divide rational expressions. So first thing you need to do is leave that first fraction alone and take the second one and flip it upside down. So it's times x squared plus 6x minus 7 over 8x squared minus 8x. Factor them. Well, that's a relatively reasonable request. X plus 7 times x minus 1. In the denominator, factors with an 8x, x minus 1. And now you'll see they're actually skipping a step that they had before. There used to be a step where you'd write them all as one long numerator and one long denominator. But, when you get used to this sort of thing, you're like, oh, look, x minus 1's cancel. Boom, gone. And also, pay attention to this, the x plus 7's cancel. So you're left with 3 over 8x. And there you go. That's it for example 4. Now we end with a couple checkpoints. Normally I would say pause this, give yourself a chance to learn. However, this checkpoint 3 also includes that unfortunate, perhaps, difference of cubes factoring pattern. I'm not going to ask you to magically remember it, so let's go through this one together. First of all, that second polynomial, just put it over 1. And then we're going to factor some things, right? So, one long fraction bar. I'm talking about up top, negative 2x squared. And then that x squared plus 3x plus 9 is supposed to be factored. But if you try, you won't succeed. That's not you. That's the polynomial. It's not going to happen. The denominator, x cubed minus 27, that factors into x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9. And that's just one of those joys of sums and differences of cubes. Well, heck, look at that. Common. Shroom, shroom. Goodbye. You're left with negative... Oh, wait. I hope you didn't actually leave when I said goodbye. You're left with negative 2x squared over x minus 3. Done. That's checkpoint 3. Now, let's look at checkpoint 4. Now, checkpoint 4 is worth your time to try yourself. This does not have any super secret factoring formulas or anything like that. So go back and look at the prior example if you need to, or just give it a go. I'm going to pause a few seconds so you can pause the video, try it yourself. We'll come back together and check up with each other. Hey, welcome back. A whole lot happened while you were gone. So you've got to flip that second fraction and multiply. And then you need to go ahead and factor all of the polynomials. The ones on the right are a little more annoying to factor than so far in this unit, but they should be reasonable. You should have done them a lot in Algebra 1, then also with me earlier this year. Then a lot of canceling happens. The 2x minus 1's cancel, the x minus 2's cancel, the x minus 5's cancel. That might leave you with a momentary dilemma about what goes in the numerator, since everything's gone. But that means you throw a 1 up there just to hold place. And then the denominator has the 9x left over there. That is it for page 3 of the notes. And that is it for the notes for section 4. Thank you for watching.